Geopolitical importance of पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान अपनी जियोपॉलिटिकल इम्पोर्टेंस की वजह से दुनिया में एक खास मकाम रखता है। ये साउथ एशिया, सेंट्रल एशिया और मिडल ईस्ट के चौराहे पर वाक़या है, जिसकी वजह से ये एक अहम तिजारती रास्ता बनता है। पाकिस्तान सेंट्रल एशियाई खुश्की में गहरे ममालिक को बहिरा अरब तक रसाई फराहम करता है। इसकी सरहदें चीन, भारत, अफगानिस्तान और ईरान से मिलती हैं, जो उसे रीजनल और ग्लोबल पॉलिटिक्स में अहम बनाती हैं। सीपेक जैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स ने इसकी अहमियत को मजीद बढ़ा दिया है। इसका पहला MCQ है, Pakistan's geopolitical importance is mainly due to its आंसर है B, strategic location। नेक्स्ट वन है, पाकिस्तान कनेक्ट्स which two major regions? आंसर है B, South Asia and Central Asia। Next one here, the Gwadar Port provides Pakistan direct access to. Answer है C, Arabian Sea। Which country borders Pakistan to the northwest? Answer है C, Afghanistan। The importance of Pakistan increased after which global event? Answer है C, War on Terror। Pakistan acts as a bridge between. Answer है B, Middle East and South Asia। Which sea lies south of Pakistan? Answer है B, Arabian Sea। Pakistan shares a border with China via. Answer है B, Khanjra Pass। The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor यानी कि CPEC connects. Answer है B, Kashgar to Gwadar। Pakistan's location is vital for trade routes between. Answer है B, Central Asia and Arabian Sea। Pakistan lies at the crossroads of. Answer है B, 4 regions। Which region is landlocked and depends on Pakistan for sea access? Answer है B, Central Asia। Gwadar Port is located in which province? Answer है C, Balochistan। Pakistan's strategic importance increased during the Cold War due to its proximity to. Answer है A, USSR। Next one है, which organization highlights Pakistan's regional importance? Answer है B, SAARC। Pakistan is located near the Strait of. Answer है A, Hormuz। Strait of Hormuz is important because. Answer है B, oil transportation। Pakistan shares the longest border with. Answer है B, India। Pakistan's western border connects it with. Answer है B, Afghanistan and Iran। Which pass connects Pakistan to Afghanistan? Answer है B, Khyber। Pakistan's importance in the war on terror was mainly due to. Answer है C, location near Afghanistan। Pakistan provides shortest route for Central Asia too. Answer है B, Arabian Sea। Which country is not a neighbor of Pakistan? Answer है A, Nepal। Pakistan lies in which part of Asia? Answer है B, South Asia। The economic importance of Gwadar is due to. Answer है C, trade routes। Pakistan connects Muslim world with. Answer है B, South Asia। Pakistan's geographical location helps in. Answer है B, trade and defense। Which desert lies in Pakistan adding strategic depth? Answer है B, Thar। Pakistan's coastline length is approximately. Answer है C, approximately 1046 km। Pakistan shares border with Iran in which direction? Answer है B, west। Which pass connects Pakistan to China? Answer है B, Khanjra Pass। Pakistan is important for energy routes because. Answer है B. Transit routes. The Karakoram Highway connects Pakistan with. Answer है C. China. Pakistan's location is vital for military strategy due to. Answer है B. Terrain and borders. Which ocean trade route benefits Pakistan? Answer है B. Indian Ocean. Pakistan is gateway to Central Asia for. Answer है C. Middle East. Pakistan's geopolitical importance is enhanced by. Answer है C. Location plus resources. Which country lies southwest of Pakistan? Answer है B. Iran. Pakistan's eastern border is with. Answer है B. India. Pakistan provides trade access to landlocked countries like. Answer है B. Afghanistan. The Bolan Pass connects. Answer है C. Balochistan to Afghanistan. Pakistan's role in regional stability is due to. B. Strategic location. Pakistan lies near major oil-producing region. B. Middle East. Which factor makes Pakistan globally important? Answer है B. Strategic routes. Pakistan shares border with Afghanistan in. B. West. Pakistan's location helps in international trade because. B. Ports. Gwadar Port is part of. B. CPEC. Pakistan links Central Asia to. A. Indian Ocean. Pakistan's importance increased due to proximity to. B. Oil-rich regions. Last one है, Pakistan's geopolitical importance is mainly due to its. B. Location.